In this lesson, we'll continue adding components to the vise assembly and insert the screw and the nuts. The next component to insert is the screw. Click Open. Select by matings as before. Start coaxial. Select the cylindrical face of the screw and the fork. Make sure that the square element, which is designed to connect to the crank handle, faces to the right. If it's not, change the reverse orientation option. I don't need to change anything. Confirm. The next mating is coincidence. Select this plane face and this one. Confirm. We can add one more mating to restrict the screw's rotation about its axis, but as the screw is symmetrical, this isn't necessary here. Confirm the screw insertion. Stop the command. Now we need to add two nuts where the screw enters the jaws. The screw might be in our way, so let's hide it. Select Add a component from a file. Select Nut and click Open. Then repeat by matings. I'll adjust the additional window. First, let's make the nut concentric with the jaw hole. I'll move the nut to see it more clearly. If you need the same, don't stop the current command and start Move Component. Move the nut to a convenient place. Stop the Move Component command. Then align the plane face of the nut and the jaw. Confirm, but don't stop, because we need another nut. Click by matings. As with the first nut, make the second nut concentric to the other jaw. This is not the correct position. It should be positioned so that the flange faces the opposite direction. Let's fix this. Add the coincidence mating to the plane faces of the nut and the jaw. Confirm. Confirm and stop the command. Now we can unhide the screw in the graphic area.